anime edits look choppy, and most people don't even realize why. It's because you're stacking random CapCut filters one after another, thinking it will make the edit look better. But in reality, it's doing the opposite. It's destroying the quality of your edit. And the truth is, pro editors don't do that. Instead, they use a method that makes their edits look smooth, cinematic, and actually unique. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the one tool in CapCut that almost everyone avoids.
So, here's our anime clip. First, go to Adjust in CapCut. Then open Graphs. Now add 3 points on the graph line. These control the blacks, shadows, midtones, highlights, and whites. We are going to create a cinematic high contrast look. Lowering the black point will increase the darkness in the clip. Adjust the graph depending on the look you want. Now, there are 3 RGB graphs: red, green, and blue. They work the same way as the white graph. If you push the red graph up, the red color increases in the clip. If you push it down, the opposite color starts appearing. The same rule applies to green and blue. For this example, I won't be adding a point at the midtone. Now, our clip already looks better than before, but we can improve it even more. Next, we adjust the HSL settings to make certain colors pop. And there you have it, a clean, good-looking color correction. Congratulations! Now you can create your own CC in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more editing tutorials.